Cóir, the Irish word for justice. It also means fairness and rightness. In ancient Ireland, Brehon law upheld cóir, not through punishment, but by restoring balance, with fines calculated to repair harmony between tribe and family. Each judgment strived to match the injury, maintaining social bonds. Brehon law was in operation from at least the 7th century, though it was based on much older oral traditions. It continued to govern Irish society until it was formally suppressed by English rule in the 17th century. Interestingly, the Irish word for judge today is brehebh, and it derives from that ancient Irish law. In Jungian depth psychology, we can think about restoring cóir by acknowledging all parts of the psyche and allowing them rightful place. The self seeks wholeness by integrating repressed parts of the psyche. So we could say, in both the ancient Irish tradition and depth psychology, that cóir is more than law. It is about living in right relationship with oneself, others, the land, and the unseen world within.